Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irman Maulana. Number NIM 52105120013. I'm dari Prodi Pendidikan Agama Islam. Abu Nawas was accused of stealing. Abu Nawas is very famous for its cleverness in solving the coin. So is the story of this one Abu Nawas overthinking problem will fit on a cause of stealing. Will the Abu Nawas is able to resolve this matter? Here's the story. One day is Fulan come into the king's palace Harun al-Rashid. He is security, airport, and sincere of reason to Abu Nawas. After meeting with the king, so he tell of story about the meaning of this return. Your Majesty, I would like to report misdeed of one people to you, said is Fulan. Who is her and what he has done? Asked the king. He is confident of Paduka, namely Abu Nawas. She has been doing a dancing. That's still the court. Next I am report the Fulan. The king was surprised and asked any si Fulan tell what's happened. This is glorious. It looks like Abu Nawas had long coveted the gold necklace. He originally wanted to buy necklace too, but the servant did not want to sell it. Break is Fulan. Here the instrument that person Abu Nawas ever directly called into court, raving at the palace. The king ordered in solidarity impression Abu Nawas. What a minute! Actually, it is no, Your Majesty. What until so angry to me? Said Abu Nawas with confusion. Her, the Abu Nawas greeting the king of the world. Dare you act like that? Word you have to steal the necklace is si Fulan. Snapped King si Fulan, punching the dead. No, not far from the king. Not Your Majesty, for that I stole her next again Abu Nawas. Abu Nawas in starting to realize that he had relented. The proof, these people carry a scrap of your and sent to wear in the Sage King. Abu Nawas is indeed the owner of the soul, but it's been 2 days sold not stolen by someone. It's already tried to explain several times until this long, but I think his effort in vain only. Beheaded or hung the next day, and because of the large number of instruments that effort the Fulan unto the king. Finally, Abu Nawas was sentenced to death. In addition, she also wanted to test the Abu Nawas brain in this matter. In this time, the death penalty is given short before the death sentencing was carried out. The king had asked what is direct request Abu Nawas, and the truth at this moment that's welcome awaited by the Abu Nawas. Abu Nawas asked that given to change to vote for the death penalty himself. He asked when to opening right the servant of servants willing to put to an injurer. But if the servant in concern wrong, the slaves were hanged, said Abu Nawas printed. There are strange people. The precarious moment still only got around to talking Panther. However, Joseph can save you, said the king. I was talking Panther, Your Majesty, said Abu Nawas. Marking loud, but is the finish Abu Nawas shout with a loud voice. I asked the princess and regular. All those who were present when it was not the truth. They wonder why the Abu Nawas made the decision like that. Meanwhile, the king began to suspect and began to think about the sentence. The last request from Abu Nawas the king the servant and said that the servant will be put to an angular. Implicit is to that then the servant of the servant puts an angular. But where is the location of the error option? To the solve behind when the servant select sentence angular explain Abu Nawas. Unsuspense by said Abu Nawas make the king was astonished and inside the king interrogated the greatness of Abu Nawas, and furthermore the problem still solved again. A few days later turned out to be Abu Nawas just by si Fulan. I asked the punishment and angular. All those who were present when it was mother who saw, they wonder why to the Abu Nawas make decision like that. But while the king began to suspect and at once began to think about the sentence, the last request from Abu Nawas, the king, the servant, had said the servant will be put to an angular. If Pilsen is true, then the servant of the servant questioned an angular, but where is the location of the error option? To the solve behinds with when the servant select sentence angular explain Abu Nawas. Unsuspect beside Abu Nawas make the king was astonished and inside the king acknowledged the greatness of Abu Nawas of furthermore the problem still solved again. A few days later turned out to be Abu Nawas just velvet just by si Fulan.